Hello, welcome to AHR 2026 in Las Vegas. My name is Shukri Almazi, I'm with Franklin Electric, and I'm here today to present to you two new products we have. I'm going to start with the Inline SpecPAK. Now, inline because the pumps are inline. And what's really great about the product is that it's wall mounted, so it frees up floor space. Wall mounted, it can be suspended from ceilings. The pumps don't care. Full stainless steel, everything's stainless steel, NSF 61 and 372 listed. What's nice about the design here is that the pumps actually can be taken out for maintenance if needed without disrupting the piping. So it makes it easy maintenance on the pumps and motors if needed. Control panel, one of the new things we did this year is we launched with a new 7-inch color touchscreen. We changed up the software and the programming so it's very intuitive, very easy to use. We try to create a really simple user interface. You set the pressure and that's really all you need to do. VFDs are inside the panel, so everything's enclosed inside the panel. We got quick disconnects at the bottom that connect to the pumps and motors. And connections are your standard grooved connections, which can be modified and taken to an NPT or even a flange connection. Now, to accompany this product, we also have the VR SpecPAK, which I'll show you in a second. The range for this product is up to 320 gallons a minute, 125 PSI boost. So it kind of gets you that mid-level, mid to high-rise buildings, 3, 4, 5-story buildings. And what we've done with the VR SpecPAK, I'm going to start off with that same 7-inch color touchscreen. Very similar programming to the Inline SpecPAK. So if you know how to program that, you can program this. Very similar. What's a little bit different here is the VFDs, our Sirius X drives, are on the outside, not inside the panel. It features our VR 316 stainless steel pumps, 316 stainless steel manifolds as standard. The whole unit is built on a frame, so everything's supported. Manifolds are supported by the frame. We've even provided redundancy with dual transducers on the discharge and one single transducer on the suction side. Another cool feature, being able to maneuver the system around in a mechanical room or taking it off a pallet, we've incorporated fork slots on the bottom, so it allows you to get in under there with a fork and be stable. So it gives you a more stable lifting ability. NEMA 1 panel, and of course this is the VR SpecPAK. It ranges up to 2,400 gallons a minute and 450 PSI boost. So more of your high-rise, larger buildings. And that's our SpecPAK offering from the inline to the VR SpecPAK. Thank you.